But now we know how to multiply matrices. So what does it mean to multiply matrices? I mean, of course, we've seen on this example that we can use the matrix to tell us how to transform from x's to u's. And that's an example of multiplication. But now let's say that we have two matrices like that, telling us how to transform from something to something else. What does it mean to multiply them? So I claim that the product AB represents doing first the transformation B, then transformation A. So that's a slightly counterintuitive thing, because we're used to writing things from left to right. Unfortunately, with matrices, the way they're done, you multiply things from right to left. If you think about it, when you write, say, you have two functions f and g, you write f of g of x. It really means you apply first g, then f. So it works the same way as that. Okay, so why is this? Well, if I write ab times x, where x is some vector that I want to transform, it's the same as a times bx. Okay, so this property is called associativity, and it's a good property of well-behaved products, not of cross product, by the way. So matrix product is associative. That means we can actually think of a product a, b, x and multiply them in whichever order we want. We can start with bx or we can start with ab. So now bx means we apply the transformation b to x. And then multiplying by a means we apply the transformation a. So we first apply b, then we apply a. That's the same as applying ab all at once. Okay. So another note of warning is that AB and BA are not the same thing at all. Well, I mean, you probably see that already from this interpretation. It's not the same thing to, convert oranges to bananas than to carrots or vice versa. On the other hand, well, I mean, actually even worse, this thing might not even be well defined, because, if the width of A equals the height of B, we can do this product. But we don't necessarily, I mean, it's not clear that the width of B will equal the height of A, which is what we would need for that one. Okay, so, the size condition to be able to do the product might not make sense, actually. Maybe one of them doesn't even make sense. Even if they both make sense, they're usually completely different things. Okay.